This is the elevator at Macy's at Genesee Valley Mall in Flint. I heard that there's a new motor on this thing, so Dakota brought me here and we're gonna take a look at it. Starting on 2, because this is the second take. Same as always. Let's go down to 1. Obviously no motor here, so we'll get a cab view. That sounds different. Oh, that's great. There's Dakota. This elevator hasn't changed for a very long time. Same phone, same fixtures, but the motor is where it has been updated.
Some classic levels.
That's good, I like that. All right, let's see how this thing sounds. Well, it's quieter. I have to say, at least it's quieter, but I do kind of miss the old motor sound, and it takes forever to close, so that's it.
Called it.
Go ahead, hit the button.
Did you know that while shopping today,
You can hit it.
you can empower kids to reach their full potential with the help of positive adult mentors? Just round up your purchase amount and
This is the elevator at Macy's at Genesee Valley. I found out that there was a new motor here, so here to look at it. All right,
Looks like someone called it.
let's restart. I don't want to film somebody. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.